Wait there. I like this. I really like it. You not like it? Good for you, me like it.
Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, stop your angel wings. Speak to you, what we do, and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I'm dreaming. Letting the
Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Ked So Real. I want to say a big thank you to all my 800 plus subscribers. I really appreciate it. Love you all. Now if you want to see this wonderful makeover, sit back, relax and watch me work. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you won't miss any notifications. I have already primed my eyelids in preparation for my eyeshadows, and I'm using the palette Street Ink. The first shade that I'll take from that palette with a flat shader brush is the shade Concrete, and I'm going directly on the outer corner of my eyes, creating a V-like shape, and I'm blending towards the middle, not too far. And I'm going to use the shade Rose from that same palette with a fluffy blending brush, top of the excess, and I'm going to blend that Concrete, that first shade. I'm going to blend with that fluffy blending brush halfway into my crease. Then I'm going to use my concealer in the shade Medium Beige on my lid, just to create a tacky effect for my metallic shade. And the metallic shade is, I'm using the Copper Metallic shade from the Take Me Home palette, and I'm going directly onto my lid, and I'm packing all that shade together. Then I'm using underneath my brow a white shimmery shade. Then I'm going to take a blue metallic shade from that same palette in my inner corner of my eyes, and I'm also lining my eyes, my waterline, with the Maybelline pencil in white. I'm using some mascara, the NYX mascara, to prep for my falsies. And you want to go directly onto your natural lash line with the falsies. You're going to use your tweezer just to combine everything to stick together. You want to be extra careful, okay? You know, I love to line my eyeliner. I love to use my eyeliner on top of my lash after I applied my lashes. And that same shade Rose, I'm using it to smooth my under eyes with a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going to use the same NYX mascara for my lower lashes, and I'm removing the tape, and you see that sharpness. That's so unique. The foundation that I've used today is the Maybelline. I've mixed the two foundations, the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in 330 Toffee Caramel and the 355 Coconut, and I'm also blending with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm using the Eco Tools blending sponge just to blend everything into place. And I'm actually using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation as my concealer today. I've applied it underneath my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow down the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and I'm blending with that same Eco Tools blending sponge. And you want to ensure that you blend all the areas that you have applied the concealer. Then you're going to set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and you're going to dust away the excess and press that powder right into your skin. Okay, I'm gonna apply some bronzer today right underneath that highlight on my forehead, just to give my face a bit more warmth, just to warm back my face. Okay, underneath my jawline, and you want to blend. Now I'm going to contour my nose using the Iman of Noble Concealer and Contour Palette. I'm using a shade that's one shade darker than my natural skin color. And I'm setting with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my Eco Tools blending sponge, just to give my nose that sharp effect. I'm gonna dust away all that excess Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and you'll see my final look right in the next video. I've went ahead and applied some blush, highlighter, and some blue Maybelline blue lipstick. I'm really obsessed with this look. I'm looking so fierce. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.